I quit my job at 29, and here's how you can too. You on camera. This one loophole let me retire in 2 years with 15 units, and it's 100% legal. Most investors take decades to retire. Why? They're stuck in this slow lane of real estate. Step 1. The velocity banking hack. Turn $1 into $10 with this bank secret. Step 2. How to buy 5 units per year using BRRRR 2.0. No cash needed. Step 3. Automate everything with these 3 apps. I work 2 hours per month. Demo. Fastlane Dashboard plus AI tenant screening tool. My 15 units now pay me $37K/month, and I'm literally retired. This is what freedom looks like. Comment fire below if you want my free retire in 2 years cheat sheet. Subscribe and hit the bell. Tomorrow, I will drop my exact lender list for 15 plus units. Next, I retired my parents using this strategy, Video Plus.